Welcome back. Today we're going to carve some pumpkins and we're going to do some goodie bags. And are you excited? You look very excited. Do you want to tell them what we're doing?
We're doing goodie bags, decorating boards.
We already did that.
Oh yeah, and you can check the other video. There's another one that we did. We're going to decorate the fireplace too, right?
Oh, I forgot to record a fireplace. Just get ready for Halloween. Anyway, stay tuned.
Stay Halloween tuned. Hi, this is me, Tiffany.
Do you want to show them your new sweater?
This is my new Harry Potter sweater. I didn't watch Harry Potter before, but we're gonna. That's when movie night's gonna be here.
We're gonna have a little Harry Potter marathon.
Stay Halloween tuned.
Got these treats from the grocery stores. Some cute chocolate bars, cupcakes, cookies, these cute Cheetos, and more chocolate. I'm just gonna put a little platter together tonight for making treat bags and watching Halloween movies.
Hi, this is me, Tiffany. Today we're gonna make goodie bags on the Cricut. We're gonna print out on this Cricut. See? And these are the ones we printed from the Cricut. And then we're gonna glue it up and then show you. So stay craft tuned. And these goodie bags I did all by myself. And my mom helped me to print out these goodie bags too. See? We're gonna make 3 of these ones, see? I made all of them myself and my mom helped me printed them out, see? There's my pumpkin ones I did. And the skeleton ones. And a cauldron. And let's see here. These ones can stand up. See? The cauldron one can stand up. And we did a spider. I did a spider one. And a pumpkin one. And a Frankenstein one.
Show them?
Yeah. These are the glue dots we used. They're pretty big.
Did they work better than the glue?
Yeah, they work better than the glue.
Is this the glue you used?
Yeah, this is the glue I use. It's almost out and it's my mommy's one. And it's almost out, so I had to put upside down so the glue doesn't. So we get impatient when the glue's trying to come down because it's so slow. So we bought these at Michael's and they worked out more better and stuff. We're gonna do a Starbucks one, Raptors one, and Harry Potter one. See here at the badge, Harry Potter. See, here's a Starbucks one. It turned out really well, but My pop has to do it myself mostly, and we do a little of the Raptors one. The pants didn't work out that good. Tiffany, and I'm in my friendly coffee costume. I thought it was a little silly, and my mom got it for me, and my mom thought it was cute and stuff, and I did it. And I thought it might look funny, but my mom thought it would look cute then, so we just got it, and my straw keeps falling off.